Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a loop? You wake up, you have big plans, but by the end of the day, you've scrolled for hours, procrastinated on your most important tasks, and you're no closer to your goals. That feeling of wasted potential is one of the most painful human experiences. But what if you could completely reset that pattern in just 1 week? Welcome to the 7-Day Mindset and Productivity Reset from DriveBird Network. This isn't about hustle culture or working 18-hour days. This is about reclaiming your focus and rebuilding your mental clarity. Over the next 7 days, we're going to systematically eliminate the noise and replace it with habits that build unstoppable momentum. Let's begin the challenge. Day 1 is the Great Unplug. For the first 90 minutes of your day, your phone stays off. No email, no social media, no news. And for the last 90 minutes before bed, you do the same. This creates a sacred space for your mind to think, plan, and decompress without constant digital interruption. It will feel strange, but this is the foundation for everything that follows. Days 2 and 3, we introduce the 10-minute prime. In that new quiet morning space you've created, you'll spend just 10 minutes writing down 3 things you are grateful for and your single most important task for the day. That's it. You're training your brain to start the day with positivity and intention instead of anxiety and distraction. You take control before the world tries to. Next up, for days 4 and 5, we implement the single task mandate. Multitasking is a myth that destroys your focus. Your challenge is to pick your most important task and work on it, and only it, for a single unbroken 45-minute block. No phone notifications, no extra tabs open. You will accomplish more in those 45 minutes than you normally do in 3 hours of scattered work. Finally, on days 6 and 7, we bring it all together with future visioning. Using the clarity you've gained all week, spend 15 minutes visualizing, in vivid detail, the person you want to be in 1 year. What does their day look like? How do they feel? This isn't just daydreaming. It's creating a mental blueprint. When your brain knows the destination, it becomes incredibly good at finding the path. 7 days. That's all it takes to break the cycle. Your first act of commitment is to declare it. Go down to the comments right now and write, "I am starting my reset." Then, subscribe to DriveBird Network and hit the bell. Think of us as your daily accountability partner as we post powerful content every single day to keep you on track and motivated. Now that you've reset your mind for peak performance, the next step is to apply that focus to your finances. The principles are the same: clarity and consistent action. To help you, the video appearing on your screen now is How to Turn $100 into Wealth. Click it and let's continue this journey of transformation together. Don't wait. Start now.